In today's tutorial, we'll dive into the art of recoloring lipstick using curves in Photoshop. Whether you're looking to experiment with new lip colors for your portraits or want to enhance the vibrancy of existing lipstick shades, this technique is a game changer. Let's get started. First, select the area of the lips that you want to recolor. Use the selection tool of your choice to create a precise selection around the lips. Use the eyedropper tool to sample the color directly from the lips in the reference image. Then add a solid color adjustment layer to your image and copy the color sample. Next, add a curves adjustment layer to your image. This adjustment layer will serve as the foundation for recoloring the lipstick. Paste the sampled lip color into the adjustment layer to apply it to your lips. For a realistic finish, bring back the highlights and shadows from blending mode option. Zoom in and refine any areas where the lipstick color may have spilled over or needs touch-ups. Use brushes and masking techniques to ensure a clean and polished look. Experiment with a hue and saturation adjustment to achieve the desired lipstick color to change the intensity and tone of the lipstick hue. And there you have it, a complete guide to recoloring lipstick using curves in Photoshop. Whether you're going for bold and vibrant shades or subtle and natural tones, this technique gives you the creative control to transform lip colors with ease. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy editing!